Yes, when we have visited, so we all have gathered here for. We were an alumni of PSB College, Loni. So just because of that, we have gathered over here. So we all conducted an or get together in this very cozy and nice place. So where we have spent our evening, yesterday stay night, and today morning. So the experience was too good. The food was too good. Even the snacks, breakfast, and the stay. We were a group of around 20 people. We enjoyed a lot. So there's a lot of space over here. So we can have multiple programs. We can have functions. So that we can gather and make a lot of fun over here. So I recommend everyone that everyone must visit this place. A quiet, cool, and the ambience over here was very nice. So just because of that, I would like to have a good comment on this, and I would like to recommend everyone that families, friends, college colleagues, everyone can visit over here, have a stay, and have their own experiences. Thank you.
आम्ही PVP कॉलेजचे जुने स्टुडंट होतो. मित्रांना जवळच्या जवळ कॉलेजच्या आम्हाला गेट टुगेदर करायचं होतं. त्यासाठी आम्ही गुगलवर हे लोकेशन शेअर केलं आणि इथं सगळे मित्र जमलो. त्यांचं संतोष सरांनी आम्हाला खूप सहकार्य केलंय यासाठी. त्यांचं राहण्याची व्यवस्था त्यांनी एकदम मस्त केली. नाश्ता पण खूप छान होतं आणि संध्याकाळची पूर्ण पार्टीची अरेंजमेंट संतोष सरांमार्फत झाली. सगळ्यांना खूप फ्रेश वाटलंय. म्हणजे सगळं जे मनातलं हेक्टिक होतं ते सगळं इथं दूर झालंय आणि पुढच्या वेळेस पुन्हा येऊ इथं.